Welcome to Car Hubz, the ultimate destination for all things automotive in Colorado. From stunning mountain drives to the best car culture in the heart of the Centennial State, we've got it all covered. Whether you're a car enthusiast, collector, or just love a good road trip, Car Hubz is your go-to spot. Join us as we explore the latest car models, dive deep into reviews, give you tips on car maintenance, and show you the hottest customizations right here in Colorado. Plus, we'll take you to the best car meetups, shows, and events around the state. Get the inside scoop on local car communities and see what makes Colorado's automotive scene unique. Whether you're into off-roading through the Rockies, cruising along the city streets, or just learning how to keep your car in top shape, Car Hubz has you covered with tips, tricks, and everything in between. Hey everyone, I'm host Name, your guide on this journey through Colorado's car culture. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss a new video. Let's get started. Welcome to Car Hubz, where the road is our playground, and cars are our passion. See you on the next ride. Feel free to tweak the script based on your personal style, or if you want to incorporate any specific segments like interviews or behind-the-scenes looks at the Colorado car scene.